G'day and welcome back. Once again, I've just returned from the post office and I know what's in here. So $38.40 or something this costs, which is ridiculous. The shipping costs more than the actual part. So these are for the Cooper, hopefully. I'm not sure. I don't really know if they're the right screws. These might actually be the screws for the later one that's got the broken bottom. I don't know. Hopefully they're the right screws. Cost a lot of money. But as I said, it was £12.68 for shipping, £7.69 for the 3 screws. So a lot for the shipping, but that's just how it is nowadays. So hopefully they're the right screws. We'll find out later.